Hey, good morning. Mike here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. A routine brake inspection, some noise grinding. So we're taking a look at this car. You can kind of see, zoom in here. All right, you can see we have a metal-to-metal condition. So what we're doing is we're going to pull all the wheels, look at all the brakes closer, make sure the caliper's not hung up, something like that caused premature wear. But one other item I just want to point out quickly, and the whole reason for regularly scheduled maintenance. Coming to a good repair facility to do your oil change, right? 2 times, 3 times a year at most, right? And get an inspection, get a courtesy check, and look at the car. Because look what I've got over here. So just look at this tire. You can see the wear bars. We're past worn out. These tires should have been replaced probably 8,000 miles ago. The rears are in pretty good shape, but once again, regular inspection. Let's keep you folks safe. That's really our priority, is keeping you safe. You need good brakes, you need good tires. A lot of other stuff can be pushed maybe by the wayside for a little time, but again, regular scheduled maintenance, oil change starts with Wilton Auto and Tire. Come on down, let's get your car checked out, get your oil changed, and make sure you're safe for the motoring road.